Picture this. It's cold, you're tired, and you want something comforting fast. You need a meal that's big on flavor, low on effort, and ready in 20 minutes. Enter your new weeknight hero, a super quick curry that's as satisfying as a takeaway, but so much better for you. No complicated steps, no endless ingredient lists, just clever shortcuts and bold flavors. We'll use a handful of hero ingredients to create a rich, fragrant curry in less time than it takes to order delivery. This is about making home cooking joyful, not a chore. Whether you're cooking for yourself or a crowd, this recipe is a guaranteed winner. It's simple, reliable, and most importantly, fun. So roll up your sleeves and let's get started. Forget the takeaway menus. Tonight you're the chef. This 20-minute curry will bring warmth and joy to your table any night of the week. Ready? Let's cook. Here's your streamlined shopping list. 2 chicken breasts, a jar of curry paste, a can of full-fat coconut milk, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, fresh spinach, and coriander. The curry paste is your shortcut to deep, complex flavor. Choose your favorite style. Coconut milk brings that creamy, luscious texture. Onion and garlic form the aromatic base, don't skip them. Spinach wilts in seconds, adding color and nutrients. Coriander finishes the dish with a fresh, zesty kick. No chicken? Swap in prawns, chickpeas, tofu, or even sweet potato. No spinach? Frozen works fine. Not a coriander fan? Try mint or parsley. Each ingredient has a job: protein for heartiness, paste for spice, coconut milk for richness, and greens for freshness. Mix and match to suit your taste and what's in your fridge. This is a flexible, forgiving recipe. Make it your own. Let's get cooking. Ready? Let's move fast. Get all your ingredients out and heat a large pan with a splash of oil. Slice your onion and garlic, chop the chicken into bite-sized pieces, and season with salt and pepper. Sauté onion and garlic for 2 minutes until soft and fragrant. Add chicken browning for 3 to 4 minutes. Stir in 2 to 3 tablespoons of curry paste, coating everything well. Let the paste cook for a minute to release its aroma. Pour in the coconut milk, stir, and bring to a gentle simmer. Let it bubble for 5 minutes. This cooks the chicken and thickens the sauce. In the last minute, add a big handful of spinach. It'll wilt instantly. Stir, turn off the heat, and you're done. That's it. Curry in 20 minutes, start to finish. Smells amazing, right? Serve it up hot. Dinner is ready. Want to make it your own? Add fresh chili for heat or a spoonful of yogurt for extra creaminess. Swap chicken for fish, prawns, chickpeas, or paneer. Just adjust cooking times. Toss in any veggies you have. Mushrooms, peppers, peas, or broccoli all work. A squeeze of lime at the end brightens everything up. Sprinkle with toasted nuts for crunch. Serve with mango chutney for a sweet contrast. This curry is your canvas. Experiment and enjoy. The possibilities are endless. The secret? Curry paste packs years of flavor into a jar, saving you time without sacrificing taste. Quick steps: sauté, sear, simmer, build layers of flavor fast. One pan, minimal mess, maximum impact. It's faster than delivery and healthier too. You control the ingredients and no hidden nasties. This recipe proves fast food can be good food. Adapt it to your needs. Meat, veggie, dairy-free, it's all possible. Use what you have, waste less, and eat better. It's a weeknight hero for busy lives. Let's make dinner work for you. 20 minutes later, you've got a steaming pan of curry ready to share. Serve with fluffy rice or warm naan, whatever you love. Scatter over fresh coriander for a burst of color and flavor. Add a crisp salad for freshness, or keep it classic and cozy. Cooking is about connection. Gather your people, dig in and enjoy. This recipe is more than a meal, it's a reason to come together. Try it once, and you'll have a new favorite up your sleeve. Make it your own, have fun, and savor every bite. You've got this. Happy cooking. See you at the table.